Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today, we'll learn how to recover deleted contacts from your iPhone using MobiKin Doctor for iOS. MobiKin Doctor for iOS supports 3 recovery methods. Let's explore each of them. MobiKin Doctor for iOS on your computer. You can find the download button on the official website of MobiKin Doctor for iOS. Click on it to begin the download. After the download is complete, double-click the installation file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. Once the installation is finished, open the software to begin the process of recovering your contacts. Part 1. Recover from iOS device. The first method is to recover directly from your iOS device. Simply connect your iPhone to the computer and click on Recover from iOS device. Select Contacts and it will begin scanning your contacts. Pay attention to the unlock prompt that appears on the phone screen. Enter your password promptly to unlock. After the scan is complete, you can preview and select the contacts you want to recover. Then click the Recovery to Computer button. Part 2. Recover from iTunes backup file. The second method is to recover from an iTunes backup file. Click on Recover from iTunes backup file. Choose the iTunes backup file you want to recover from and click the Scan button. After the scan is complete, you can preview the contacts and select the contacts you want to recover. Part 3. Recover from iCloud. The final method is to recover from an iCloud backup. Click on Recover from iCloud. Log into your iCloud account and select the backup file you want to recover from. Preview the contacts in the backup file and select the contacts you want to recover. Then click the Recovery button. Whether from an iOS device, iTunes backup file, or iCloud backup, MobiKin Doctor for iPhone can help you easily recover deleted contacts.